Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing the Maxfoot electric bike, so let's get to it. So the bike I will be reviewing today is this, and it is 100 watts. It's called the Maxfoot MF-19 folding e-bike. It is heavy. I gotta tell you, it is pretty heavy. I did put it in the car by myself. I folded it alone, and I mean, I could do it, but it is still pretty challenging. So it is a big body bike, that's for sure. It's not little. Here are all the different specs of the bike, but let me get more into it. I absolutely love all the speeds on the bike, and it also has different gears. So if you go uphill, it is really nice and easy to go and still pedal. So this bike is a 10 out of 10 so far. I haven't even gotten started and I'm already telling you that this bike is a 10 out of 10. So now let's get into the specs. This electric bike comes in different colors, so you can pick which one you like the most. I like the white and gray, so that's the one I got. This bike can hold up to 300 pounds. I absolutely love that they added the rear suspension on the bike, but it does block off the seat from going down all the way. But that's okay because I'm not that short, but it is something to keep in mind. I absolutely love the lighting system on this bike. So you just press the little buttons and everything turns on. The light is really nice and bright, and it also has some lights on the back, and when you press the brakes they like flash, and so I really love those little touches on the lights of the bike. The wheels are not super huge, but they're not super tiny. They're just right. I love all the speeds on this bike, and I love how you can just adjust it with the little button. It also has pedal assist, so that's amazing. But if you don't want pedal assist, which I also love, you just press the little button and then you don't even have to pedal. You could just twist and you're off and you go. I really love the rack on the back of the bike. It is really nice and convenient. You can add a little basket there to put your items. So I love this bike. The battery is Samsung, and you already know those are amazing. They always last and they are super powerful. Now this electric bike, you don't have to worry about the battery on this, because once you charge it, you have up to 60 miles of range, and that is just beautiful. I absolutely love how you could just go for a long bike ride and you don't have to worry about not having enough battery to go back home. So I absolutely love that about this electric bike. That's definitely one of the biggest perks for an electric bike, is the battery. I absolutely loved building this bike. Usually I hate building e-bikes when I order them online, but this one was just so seamlessly easy to build and I had so much fun. By the way, the link of this bike will be linked down in the description below of this video, so make sure and check it out. So that's all the specs of the bike. Now I think it's time for me to go for a ride.